How do you hide your post from someone on Instagram? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can hide our post from someone on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to hide your post from someone on Instagram, you can open the Instagram application here, and let's say that you post something. There is a certain photo or video which you don't want to show to one of your followers, and the problem is that they do follow you. Now unfortunately you cannot actually hide a post from a specific person. You can hide your stories from a specific person but not a post, because your post is basically public. Either you show them to everybody or you do not show them at all. But what you can instead do is, if you don't want to interact with that person, you can remove them as a follower and make your account private, so that only your followers, except that person whom you removed as a follower, will be able to actually see your photos. So in this case you can just go to your followers, select the person to remove as a follower. After that, if your account is private, that's perfectly fine. If not, just make it private, and when you make it private, that person whom you removed as a follower, since he is not a follower, will not be able to see that particular post. And this is the only way to go about it. There's no any other way. Otherwise you can simply block that person and they will not be able to see the photos from your profile, or you can simply restrict them and see if that helps. And hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.